Hi friends, my name is Aditya Kauthekar and welcome to my YouTube channel Ocean of Code. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to find difference between times and dates with the help of simple date format class and date class. Okay, so let's start. So let us create one Java file here, new class, and let us give name as difference between times and dates. Okay, let me check in this box and finish. Okay, so let us say we are having two strings with timings. Okay, so string str1 is equal to 10 o'clock and okay, string str2 is equal to 18 o'clock. Fine. Now we are going to use simple date format. Okay, so simple date format, and let us give reference type name as sdf is equal to new simple date format. Okay, so let us give, not let us give, we are supposed to give the format which is there in this string. So the format is in HHMM, right? Hours and minutes. Now before that let me import something as we are getting compile time error. So import java dot text dot simple date format. Okay, and error is gone. Great. Now let us create reference type of object date class. D1 is equal to, so sdf this ref object dot pass. We are going to pass this timings str1 and date d2 is equal to sdf dot pass str2. Okay, so we are still getting compile time error, so let me import package for date class java dot util dot date. Again we are getting compile time error, so we are supposed to import pass exception which is there in text pass exception. Fine. Again, okay, so we need to throw it towards pass exception. No error shouldn't be there. Did I make any mistake? Oh, we are supposed to add this after this method and not after class. Great. Fine. Now errors are gone. Now let us find the difference. Long diff is equal to d2 dot get time. Why d2 first? Because it is greater, minus d1 dot get time. Fine. Now you might ask, like, why did I use long? Because get time method returns time in long. Okay, in long format. Again, what does it return? It returns number of milliseconds. Okay, and one more thing, let me show you. So get time in date java. See guys, get time method in date java. So the date time method in java date class returns the number of milliseconds since January 1, 1970. Okay, but we need not worry about it as long as we are dealing with difference. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And one more thing guys, see, you might ask, like, why did we use, I mean, what does this pass method does? Okay, so for that let me again show you something. Difference between pass and format in java. See guys, this pass will convert string value of date to date object. Okay, so what it is doing, it is converting this in date object. Okay, and this format method will change the date object to string format. But anyways, we are not dealing with this format in our code today. So yeah, now let us print with sysout diff. Okay, and let us execute the program. Let us see the output. Run Great. So this is the value in milliseconds. Okay. Now if I'm dividing this by 1000, we are getting value in seconds. So 28,800 seconds. Now let me again divide by 60. Then we will get value in minutes. Now let us execute. Run. See guys, 480 minutes between these two timings. Now let us again divide by 60 and we will get value in number of hours. Let us check. Run. Great. As we can see, 10 o'clock, 18 o'clock. So difference is 8 hours. Great. Now the beauty of this simple date format is you can mention anything, like see, now let us say I don't want this colon, I want hyphen. Then again you just make respective changes and execute it. So I saved the program and run. See guys, we are still getting 8 as the value. Again the beautiful thing is, now let us say the format is in MMHH. Okay, then again make the respective changes and it has to work. Let us see. Here is okay colon, so 18 and here 00. So this is nothing but MMHH. So we should get the same output 8, right? Let us check. Run. Great. See guys, so that is the advantage of using simple date format class. Now let us go back to our previous changes. Okay, we will do it manually. Before that let us add date here. Let us say date is 21st / 02 / let us say 2020 and space 00, and here again 23rd February 2020. Fine. Now let us execute. Oh, we are getting error. So java.text pass exception. Okay, see guys, we just mentioned for this timing and not for date. So let us mention the format. It is dd / mm / YYYY and space. Okay, now we should get the same output, not same output. The difference is more, it seems, more than 48 hours. Okay, great. So 21, 23. Is it correct? No, it is not. Why? Okay. See guys, it is wrong actually. The difference should be more than 48. Why? Because our format is in HHMM and not MMHH. So as we did not change it, now we should get the correct answer. See guys, the answer is 56 hours. 24 to the 48 plus 8, 56. Okay, now let us say give 5 minutes more and execute the program. Run. See guys, we are still getting 56. Why? Because this thing is returning long value. Okay, but we want value in double, so let us give .0 somewhere and let us execute it again. Now we should get value in double format. Great. See guys, 56.08, and that's the correct. Okay, so again few more things, like you can make any changes which you want. Let us say I want dd YYYY and then MM. Okay, so that also you can do it here. Just change dd YYYY and MM. Now also we should get the same output. Let us check. Run. 56.08. Wow. So yeah, that's it. Try to execute this program. If you have any doubt, maybe you can write your doubts in comment section. And yes, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any videos in future. Okay then, see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.